Hey guys, what's up? Andy Fogarty from the AtHomeWelder.com, and I'm here for KingMetals.com, and today we're answering another quick question that came from you guys, the community. Today we're talking about rust. This question comes from Welding Wizard Jason 22. I'm just gonna call you Mr. Wizard. Hope you don't mind. Mr. Wizard asks, in a perfect world, I'd be welding new material on all my projects. However, that is not the case. My projects mostly consist of rusty, used material or scraps that I get from a scrapyard. I spend a lot of time cleaning, and honestly, I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to spend the time cleaning every single piece of material. Do you have any tips for me? First off, Mr. Wizard, totally get it. I am very lazy myself, and I totally feel you, and I think a lot of other people feel you, and you just want to weld stuff together. Obviously, as you've already stated, you know that clean material is the best material to weld on. Everything about it is going to be 100% better than if you're trying to blast through some nasty, dirty, rusty material. If you just want to be lazy and not clean your material and you just want to practice your welding technique, sure, go ahead. Welding technique and how you move your hand, rust has nothing to do with that. But if you're trying to get the best quality welds, which you should be doing in all of your practicing, you do need to clean that material. Not use a polishing wheel or a wire wheel. You want to actually use a grinder and grind that rust off. Because the problem with just using like a polishing wheel or a wire brush or something like that, yeah, it'll get some of the rust off, but really what it's going to do is just shine it up and put lipstick on a pig, as they say here in the South. But the problem is the rust is still going to be there. Let's go into times where you do have to weld over rust. You don't really have an option. Well, using a flux core wire, that's wire that you don't use the gas, but a flux core wire is always going to burn through gunk and dirt and rust and paint too, more than a gas would. Not to say that gas is going to be bad, but flux core is going to be better in this situation. Don't consider this to be a permanent fix. This is kind of just a scenario where you're getting something put together just long enough to where you can get it back to make the proper repairs. Can you make some heavy repairs using just flux core wire out of a MIG? Sure you can. Are they going to last a long time? Maybe they will. Maybe they'll be enough. Maybe they won't be enough to do anything. It all depends on your specific situation. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope that gives you a good baseline of where to begin with, dealing with rusty and nasty material if you got to weld through it. You know what? I love answering these questions. I love getting these questions from you guys, the community. I mean, we can come up with ideas all day long on stuff to shoot here, but really what matters to me and to King is your questions. The At-Home Welder and King community. Stuff coming from you guys. You guys are why we do this. So if you have any questions, any specific kind of questions that you'd love to see answered in a video, ask down below. All right, that's it. See you guys later.